And now for something other than coffee.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Now for Something Other Than Coffee. Again, I got something from the Amazon store. I'm not proud about it, but again, they gave me just the best deal for something that first I found in a local shop around 150, and then other online shops were offering it for just under €100. And as I was, let's say, struggling with, do I really need this, then they came with the, it's Prime Day, you get €10 extra discount, which brought this milling machine just under €90. 89.90 something other like that. And then I just couldn't resist anymore. It's a machine that you can't do without. I mean, most people will never bother in their lifetimes getting this kind of a milling machine. It's only when you're really into woodworking that you might consider it. Or like in my case, where I'm doing a bit of flooring here, and to be able to do just a perfect job, I assume this is going to be vital to me. And if not, I hope I might use it in some other woodworking projects. You're supposed to be able to make more advanced wood connections with this. So what a milling machine allows you to do is, I guess this is already important. This is really to be able to sail alongside an edge and just get those very straight lines, because as you're doing this kind of home activities, that's really what's most frustrating. Trying to get the lines as straight as possible. And of course, you know, nobody's that crazy that you go for the most expensive equipment, because you kind of already know that you're using this for few projects, not too many probably. What kind of pieces do we have in here? Okay, I was expecting to see a phrase. Now this might be a phrase for a bigger circular hole, I guess, to get things fixed. Okay, now this is probably I don't know how you say in English, a miller, something or other like that. And now we're almost ready. Okay, no clue for what that's useful. Okay, and here we go. This is the big machine. I was kind of hoping of having it in a nicer box, but I mean, in the end, whether you have the nice box or not, it ends up in an angle, and then very occasionally we then actually make use of it. So let's see what the booklets say. The battery for your home. But this isn't with a battery. Okay, so you see, you buy something, then they want to switch you to a whole new system. So let's see if I'm able to figure this out and get this turning. We're ready for it. Everything is in position. This can be turned and then this can be moved down. Oh, it was able to move down. Oh! Oh. Oops. All right. Here we go. It is a very, very humble beginning, but so the concept is once you figure out how to move, you can make kind of this grooves and then build something like a coffee table, for example. Who knows, might be coming to the Between Two Coffees website and shop. Enjoy your adventures outside of coffee and see you for the next one.